Hello guys, I'm Nars from SkillLearn. Welcome to the channel. I'm a senior graphic designer, web designer, and a digital marketer. And I make videos about how to improve on your digital skills, where we teach people on how to improve on your digital skills. There will also be tutorials concerning graphic design, which will be in software related to Adobe Creative Cloud software, digital marketing tutorials to leverage across social media, computer programs and how they work. Also, there will be tutorials on web design. We'll be building and designing website using WordPress and Elementor page builder. Feel free and make sure to subscribe to the channel as we'll bring to you informative videos on weekly basis. So welcome to the family. Give this video a thumbs up. Ring the bell icon so anytime I upload any video you'll be the first to be notified. Let's embark on this journey together.